Alright, so underneath the cover, which is 2 bolts here, and then the cover comes off, it has 2 little rubber stoppers on the top there, and 2 10mm screws holding it in place. You take that off to access the side port over here. You'll see that little hole there. That is where the part goes. This is the bad one, as you guys can tell, and this is the good one here. And it's only got 1 10mm on the side holding it in place. Yeah. Just put it in there, and then that's it. You just bolt it back in place. You can see the sensor is now back in place. That is the new one, screwed on tightly, and that is the old one. Maybe cleaning it might fix it. And here's the cover back on there. Just want to line it up with the two screws, which is very hard to do when you can't see. There it is. Okay, next one. Those should just push in, and then whichever one the screws is missing, because this one was missing a screw. So I'm just going to tighten that back up, and that is the cam position sensor. Let's go see if the check engine light turned off, because I already changed to the O2 sensor, which is right here. It's supposedly got a new catalytic converter. I think somebody ripped off this person that I bought it from, because it's definitely not new. So let's go ahead and start her up, see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna get my code reader. I'm gonna have to reset that, but I'm almost certain that that was it. So that is it for the video, guys, and I will catch you guys. Okay, so I actually plugged in my scanner and it just went away on its own. Let's take it for a drive. It said that the timing was, I don't like saying the word, it starts with an R, but it was slow. The timing was slow, and definitely feels better, that's for sure. So I think that fixed the problem. So that is a cam position sensor. Let's see the part number right there. Cam shaft sensors, sensor de árbol de lavas. If that's in Spanish, I've never would have, I don't think even if I communicated that in Spanish to a person, they would understand that unless they are a mechanic. But yeah, check engine light's gone. Car's running smooth. That's it for the video, guys. Catch you guys next time.